guys, I'm back with a wash and go routine, so let's get started. Out really well. I was able to work the product through my hair, and I definitely like the color. Let me know in the comments what you think of the color and whether or not you think it looks good. I will say the consistency is very, very thick, and although it lathers really well with water, I wouldn't recommend it for straight hair. I know I saw a lot of comments on the hair paint page as far as like, can you use it on straight hair? And I think you can, but I just don't think it's a good idea because it's really heavy. And as my hair was drying, I felt like I had to take it apart and it was very stiff. So this is the next day and I think it looks nice. I think it feels nice, although it's a little dry. I did overall like the product just because it was affordable. It came for me in 3 days and I got very nice vibrant curls out of it. Like, I think it defined my curls. Alright you guys, that's the end of my review and my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment.